Shiba Inu is starting to gain some momentum. We're going to talk about that in this video from a price standpoint, but of course, a lot of it hinges on where we go here in the overall market. Is Bitcoin and Ethereum done falling, right? That's the big question. We all want to know. Are we done with the pain? Are we moving forward, or at least, starting to consolidate? It looks like that. We're holding steady. It's Tuesday. It's early in the week. This week is a big sign because the last couple of weeks, it has been a free fall. It's been a falling knife. The entire crypto market has just been, trending downwards for a long time. We are starting to set some higher lows with Bitcoin, so that's good. Now, with Shib in particular, and before we jump in, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe. With Shib in particular, when we look at their price analysis here, it's starting to gain some positive momentum right around this 1242 mark. We'll break it down here in this video. This is right where today's Shib price is, right around here. Now, we're looking at, a Shib price that was stuck in the twos for a while before the big crash, right? So it could certainly get back up there. And if it does, we're looking at a double the price point that it is now. This is a nice opportunity to both swing trade, in my opinion. I think it's a good opportunity to acquire for the long term. And you don't have to be married to one option. You can always do both. You can have a position where it's your long-term hold bag and also a position that you're just swing trading with. And that's something I like to do. I don't think people talk about that enough. They only have one position and you're either labeled a holder or a trader. You could do both. You could be a holder and a trader. And I think these price points that we're at with Shib and a lot of cryptocurrencies, by the way, are at these levels where it's really encouraged to do both. I do it with Shib. I'll just tell you straight up. I mean, I have 4 or 5 open positions, one that I never touch, and 3 or 4 that I trade out of, right? And I do that with a lot of varying cryptocurrencies. Now, the price has been experiencing a massive downtrend, of course, with the overall market. Again, we're still sitting below that 13 mark. Now, the cryptocurrency Shib shows downside risks, of course, because we don't know if we've hit rock bottom in the overall market, but it is peaking a little bit here in the last 24 hours. As trading volume is up, we're still ranked number 15 with a live market cap of just under $7 billion. And it is kind of slowly but surely getting out of this bearish trend, setting some higher lows like Bitcoin is doing as well. The upper limit of the Bollinger Band, which is basically, where we can kind of look at resistance and support, is currently sitting at the 1296 level, which acts as the strongest resistance for Shib. So it's going to be tough for us to break out of that. But conversely, the lower limit to the downside, it's going to be tough for us to fall below the 1153. But again, a lot of this hinges on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes on a rally, Shib will go on a rally. It's just simple, right? Everything is tied back to Bitcoin and Ethereum because it makes up 60% of the overall market. When money comes into those two cryptocurrencies, money comes into the cryptocurrency market, right? So we are looking at the moving average as well. It appears to be crossing over the moving average curve here. You can see here making the market bullish. Therefore, the market shows immense reversal opportunities and possibly favors the bulls here with Shib. As a result, the price is expected to shift toward an uptrend. We can be looking at getting up into the 16 to 17 range very soon if this trend continues. And then looking at the RSI, or relative strength index, it reveals that we have a score of 47, making Shib fall in kind of that neutral region right now, which is good because we have been in that bearish region as it relates to the RSI for a long time and all the technicals. So we will see, but we're looking to see what happens with Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? Overall crypto market, we can take a look today, is up a little bit. We are back to a $1.36 trillion market cap globally. Bitcoin is up slightly here in the 24 hours, just over 30,000, 30.1. Ethereum has been holding steady over 2,002 for a couple of days now, which is good. And we'll see. Man, if we can get a price breakout, I think this would, basically shout off the mountain to everyone that, hey, we've hit rock bottom and here we go. It's time to go up. And I think we'll see a big amount of money flood back into crypto. But right now we'll consolidate. We'll see where we're going from here with Shib and the overall market. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Appreciate it very much. And I'll see you all in the next video.